So I found out our dam waterway is kind of getting a little rough, so our spillway, and what I'm going to do is get some riffraff from the ditch, just from past projects and whatnot, and see if I can't control the water a little bit and just try to have it fill in. It's just about ready to rain. We haven't rained in a long time, but supposed to have an all-day rain tomorrow, so gonna try to get this done before the rain comes. So here's that concrete that I was talking about. Trying to find some easy pickup loose ones that I can just do by moving by hand. Might have to come back with a skid loader or something like that and get some of these bigger chunks if we need them. But just throwing them in the back of the truck for right now, and I'll drop them off in front of the dam spillway. So I'm back in my pond and just kind of show you what I got going on. It's a natural spillway. It's been going like this for, I don't know, since the 50s probably. We did have a little crossing there with some hog slats. That's kind of what I'm going to use to put everything in front of, just to slow the water down and slow the soil erosion down. Some geese going across. But as you can see, it's fairly low compared to normal. I know we're in kind of a dry time right now, but it shouldn't be running all over that much being this low. So I'll show you a little close up. Got a little wet on that first one, splashed pretty good. So I kind of put the big ones right here, just leaned against the deal here, and it's starting to slow down already. You can see it pooling up right there. I got a few more left to put in here, and then hopefully what this is going to do is kind of get some of that dirt that comes through here, and it should fill in some of those cracks as well. This one should make a good splash. Alright, that's kind of what I had picked up for today. Just showing you a little bit. It is slowing it down. It's the key is not to stop it, just to slow it and prevent erosion. Still coming through just fine. It's definitely lower than it was. And I might knock some of this mud in just to kind of plug it up as well. It's starting to come around this way too, which is good because these slats also hold it. Kind of squeeze some of that mud down, should start plugging some of the holes. Well, we'll see if that works. We're supposed to get some rain tonight, so hopefully she adds some depth to the water. This water is about, I don't know, 12 to 15 foot deep. We do a lot of fishing back here, recreational. Our dock's kind of all messed up from the ice and stuff, but we need to actually replace it. But anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. Make sure to follow and subscribe to see the rest.